Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel e-commerce table rate shipping plugin. Now this particular shipping plugin allows the store admin to create custom offline shipping methods and provide shipping rates using a CSV file. Shipping rates are calculated based on the product price, country, state, zip range, postcode and weight. So basically the admin can add shipping rates using the CSV file for the table rates. Admin can create sub methods for the table rate shipping. The admin can create super shipping set as well. Now the admin would be able to create two types of shipping rates. One is the super set rates and the shipping rates. Under the super set rates, shipping price is according to the price of the product and gets the highest priority. And under the shipping rates, the shipping price is according to the zip range and the product weight range there. And the particular shipping rates that you created under the shipping rates would be applicable depending upon the zip code and the weight of the product there. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end and at the admin's end. At the admin's end, I'll be showing you how to create the superset, how to add the superset rates, how to add the shipping rates via the CSV file as well. Apart from that, kindly note that if we are having sellers X and Y with products P1 and P2, and if both the sellers have supersets with the name, for example, one day delivery, and their products P1 and P2 lie between the shipping price range, and if the customer adds the P1 and P2 products to the cart and moves towards the checkout, then the customer will see the one day delivery shipping method, and the shipping cost will be the sum of the shipping price of the seller's products, that is the product P1 and the product P2. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront end and I've already logged into my customer account here. And I have one product here, that's the chronograph watch. Now let me add it into the cart there. And let me make a checkout thereafter. So you can see that I've added the product chronograph watch that's having one quantity and the price is $1,000 there, and let's make a checkout. Now kindly note that the super set rates always get the highest priority, wherein the shipping price is according to the price of the product. So if the price of the product comes between the range that we have set within the super set rates, then the shipping price that we have set for the super set rates will be applicable to the shipping there. So right now here I'll be selecting the customer's billing address, or if you want you can add a new address as well. So for now I'll be selecting the already created address, and here under the select shipping method you can see that we are having $11 as the table rate shipping, having the superset rate applicable for this particular shipping there, with the method name or the shipping method name as the one day delivery. Now if I take you to the admin backend panel, and let me log into the admin backend panel there, and let me enter the password for the admin, and let's sign in. After sign in, on the left hand side panel I'll go to the settings option here. Under settings option we have the table rate shipping. Let's tap on that, and here you can see that I've created two supersets. One is the 2-day delivery and 1-day delivery. At the checkout we can see 1-day delivery being displayed to the customer with the price as $11. Now for the superset rates here, if I go to the second tab, that's the superset rates. Here you can see that I've given the price range for the supersets there, and here you can see if the price is of the product within the cart is between $100 and $1,000, the shipping price would be fixed, or we can also set it as free, and the superset name would be 1-day delivery, and the price would be $11. Now the same is visible here, 1-day delivery, table rate shipping, the method name that the admin has set up for the table rate shipping from the plugin configuration settings, and the price is visible as $11 there. Now for example, what I can do is, for example, if I edit the superset rate here, now as I've already told you that the superset rates always get the highest priority there, and before I edit this, let me make it as from 100 to 200 or from 100 to $200 there, and let's save the superset rate. Alright, so now let me refresh this particular page here at the checkout. Now in this case because the product price range is not between the set one, because we are having it as $1,000. Now we have the 1-day delivery with the table rate shipping, and the shipping rate is $3.20 there. Now if I come to the, now you can see that the superset rates are not applicable because the price range of price from and price to value are not being sufficed there. Now if I go to the shipping rates here, under the shipping rates you can see that I've created the superset name 1-day delivery. The country is US, California, zip code is from 9001 to 9009. The weight of the product is from 0.0001 to 50, and the price is $3.20. And the same is visible here as well, and here you can see that the address is 32 Street Lane, 9001, California, United States, and the particular shipping rate is being displayed under the shipping rates that we have added using the CSV file there. Now the customer can select any of the shipping rates there or the shipping methods. So I'll select 1-day delivery there. I'll choose my payment method as cash on delivery. I'll scroll down. Here you can see that the shipping method selected is 1-day delivery there, and the price for the same is $3.20 there. And then the customer can tap on the place order button to place the particular order. After the order has been placed, the customer can check the order details, and within the order details, let's go to the order details here by going to orders. Here I'll find the particular order. I can view the particular order, and here I can see the shipping and handling is $3.20, and the shipping method that was selected by the customer was table rate shipping, and the method name was 1-day delivery itself. Alright, now the same is visible to the admin in the sales section. If I go to the sales section, I view the particular order, and if I scroll down to the payment and shipping section here we can see the shipping method selected was table rate shipping, and 1-day delivery was there, and the shipping price was $3.20 itself. Now in the case if we are having two sellers X and Y, they are having two different products P1 and P2. If both the sellers have supersets with the name, for example 1-day delivery, and their products P1 and P2 lie between the shipping price range of the superset, then if the customer adds the products P1 and P2 to the cart and moves towards the checkout, then the customer will see the 1-day delivery shipping method, and the shipping cost will be the sum of the shipping price of the seller's products P1 and P2 there itself. So I hope that this customer workflow helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the Laravel eCommerce table rate shipping plugin. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you the initial configuration settings for this Laravel eCommerce table rate shipping plugin, and how we can set up the superset rates and the shipping rates via the CSV file. To make the initial configuration settings, we'll tap here on the configure option on the left hand side panel, and here we'll go to sales. Under sales, we'll be navigating to one option, that's the shipping methods. Under shipping methods, we'll go to the table rate shipping. Here we'll set the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. The same title was visible to the customer at the checkout time, that was table rate shipping, and the description was there, that was the table rate shipping. The status has been enabled. If you want to calculate the tax on the shipping, then you can enable this option as well. So after making this particular section settings here, you have to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. Now after that, what you need to do is to set up the table rate shipping and to set up the superset rates and the shipping rates via the CSV file, you have to navigate to the settings option in the side panel. So I'll just tap here on the settings option. Here I'll go to the table rate shipping. Here we can see that we have the superset rates and the shipping rates. Down to the supersets, we can create the different types of deliveries, for example 2-day delivery, 1-day delivery, or as per your own requirement. To add a superset, you need to tap here on the add superset button, and that will bring up this particular section wherein you have to give the code of the superset and the name and set the superset as active. So for example, I've already edited the supersets here. If I edit any of the supersets, we can also edit or delete the supersets. Here you can see the code. Now this particular code is to be used when we are creating the shipping rates using the CSV file. At that time, in one of the columns there, we have to give the code of the shipping there. So you have to come to this particular section once again to see the code that you had set for the particular shipping method that you have created. So after that, after setting up the code, you have to set the name of the shipping delivery method and set the superset as active, and then tap on the save superset button, and then the superset would be saved and you will be able to see the supersets here. Now coming to the superset rates, as I've told you, superset rates get the highest priority. In this, what happens is that it checks the price of the product and it works on the price of the shipping price is according to the price of the products. So here you can see that if the shipping if the product price is between $100 to $200, then the superset name to delivery would be displayed to the customers and the shipping price would be $13. Same goes with the other one that I have created. If the price is between, for example, 100 to 2000 or 200, then the 1-day delivery would be displayed to the customers and the price would be $11 there. Now if I make this as 100 to 2000 or 100 to 2000 for both of these, and I order a particular product that's having the price of between 100 to 2000 there, then both of these shipping prices or the delivery methods would be displayed to the customer at the checkout time there. To add a superset rate, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add superset rates, and this will bring up this section wherein you have to give the price from, or the price of the product from, and two values. If the price of the product falls between the price from and two values, then we can set the shipping type as fixed or free as per the requirement, and we can choose the superset that we want to apply it to, and we can set the price or the shipping price of the product there. After that, we have to tap here on the save superset rate, and the particular superset rate would be saved. So for example, I've already created one. If I tap on the edit button, you can see that I've set the price range from between 100 and 200. As I'd already shown you the superset rate, how the superset rate would be applicable there in the customer workflow, maybe you might have understood the same. So after setting up the price from and the price to values, we have to set the shipping type as whether it's a fixed one or the free one. Select the superset name and put the price of the shipping there, or the shipping price that would be applicable according to the price of the product there. Now coming to the shipping rates there, under the shipping rates, what we can do is we can add the shipping rates using a CSV file. So to add the shipping rates, we have two methods. One is the manual method, wherein we can tap here on the add shipping rate button, and then we can set up the shipping rate. So here we have to select the superset name. We have to choose the country, the state, the weight from and weight to values, the zip from and zip to values, the price, whether the zip code is numeric or not, and if the alphanumeric zip code would be applicable to the particular country that we have selected. And then we have to tap here on the save shipping rate. The other way around is we can use a CSV file. So for that, what we can do is we can tap here on the import button. We can download a sample file. For example, if I tap here on the download sample file, a sample file would be downloaded onto our local system. As we can see here, let's open the file here. After making the changes within the CSV file, then we have to upload this particular file here using the choose file option, and then we have to tap here on the import button to import the particular file, and the particular shipping rates would be imported under the shipping rates along with the superset name, the country, region, zip from, zip to values, weight from, weight to values, the price, whether the zip codes are numeric or not, and whether the alphanumeric zip code is applicable on the country there itself. So this is the sample upload file that we need to use for setting up the shipping rates in bulk there. So here we have to set the superset code, the country, the state, the zip from and zip to values, the price that would be applicable, the weight from and the weight to values, and if whether it's a zip range or not. If it's not a zip range, then we'll set it to 0, otherwise we'll set it to 1, and the zip code, whether it's a zip code is a range there or not. After setting these columns here, what we need to do is we need to save this particular file, and we need to upload this particular file using the particular section there. That's the choose file, and then we have to tap here on the import button to import the particular shipping rates in bulk there as per our requirement for our different superset names as required. So this is one more example here where I have set up the superset code as 1-day delivery. The country is United States, The state is California. The zip from and zip to value is 9001 to 9009. The price is $3.2. The weight is between 0.0001 to 50, and it's a zip range, and the zip code has been set to as asterisk there. Now according to the same, right now you can see that under the shipping method, after I've selected the country as United States, and the zip code is 9001, the state is California there, and the country is US, I'm able to see the $3.20 as the shipping cost, and the 1-day delivery is being displayed to me. That's the table rate shipping itself. That is 1-day delivery method there for the shipping there itself, and the same is visible here. The price is set as $3.2 for the 1-day delivery, and the same is visible here to the customers as well. After this, the customers can select the particular one and can proceed further to make a checkout there itself. So yes, that was much about the Laravel e-commerce table rate shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bugisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bugisto.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.